Happy birthday, Peter!
Nag-concert na.
So welcome to our vlog. It's Peter.
Ay, ang dami nangyayari. Talagang siya yung pinakahihintay. Siya yung main event dun sa birthday.
Kahit ang birthday ay si Peter.
Ayan na siya, guys!
Inside, love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel
Ar na tayo nandito.
kilala niyo ba si Wapa-para-pa-pa, para-pa-pa-para-para-luma.
Nag-concert na.
Sa unang tingin agad na namali, namumukad ka ng aking ligaya. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay. O para naman kaya
Ngayon lang yan. Ay, shit, low man.
Hi! Happy birthday, Peter! I have a gift for you. And that's... Never mind. Alright, Nolan. Magsalda ka din. Ayan ang hirap.
Hello everyone, welcome to our vlog. So today is December 29th.
Hello, hello. Hello. So welcome to our vlog. It's Peter.
Ay, ang dami nangyayari.
Hi, it's Rihanna. We're at VIP Club right now.
It's Peter birthday party here in Pasay.
Thank you, VIP Golf, PH.
For sponsoring this video.
Happy birthday.
Ayun na, tumitira ng birthday boy.
Ah, tumitira siya!
Tumira ng tres.
Thank you po sa cake na wala kaming bags. Yeah, so the cake is from Mary Grace.
Ngayon pala magre-record. Hindi, naka-record yan kanina.
Parang yung reaction video. Ang tagal na po kasi hindi nagpakita ng taong to.
Yes, talagang siya yung pinakahihintay. Siya yung main event dun sa birthday.
Kahit ang birthday ay si Peter.
Ayan na siya, guys! Siya na ba yun? like, siya na ba yun, guys? Ayan na,
Ayun sa...
True. Vloggers na. Kailangan daw nakapalda. Yes. Kasi papatirahin ka.
Kaya kaya pandayan eh.
Hey guys. Saan?
Thank you guys sa pagpunta.
Party to the sun. See you vibing with me, I just wanna see what's up. We just started dancing and I think I fell in love. We won't get this moment back, so please lift up my cup. Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you wanna see the sun and have some fun? Do you really wanna see the sun? I see you vibing with me, so what's up? We just
Ayaw na lamig.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone! We are
Hello. Nasa Ceci Korean Market.
So magre-rate kami.
Light lang.
Gin ramen. Oh yeah, you know me. My God. Ako lang yung nakikita. Gin na ba yan?
Gin ramen yun. Mild daw siya pa.
Yan. Oh my God. Dapat ko tong i-ano. I want this also. Let's go get it. Spicy. Cheesy ramen. Same na lang tayo. Oh my God.
Longkit naman, Pink.
Thank you so much, Peter Almir.
Currently at... Ay, ang galing. Exit na pala to. Palabas ng pop-up. So, dito kami ngayon sa Ceci. It's a Korean mart dito sa pop-up. Magaling kami ngayon sa Pasay. So, we just went golfing and KTV. I'm with Lala.
Hi guys, happy birthday, Peter.
Thank you. And Glenn.
안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Good morning. It's already 3:33 in the morning. So I'm with Peter, my friend. Happy birthday to you. And I'm with my friends right now. This is Peter. This is me. Tolen.
Ryan and Friendson, Lala, and Chan. Lawrence and the other Lawrence, they are tired na. So, I miss my friend.
Kasi,
Harvard kami dalawa doon. Hi lang hi.
go ka na doon dahil.
Ano yun? Kaya 7-seater yun.
Si Jet, sino? Labasin mo nga ito.